Hi, in this video let me show you how to save an image, a picture on your MacBook Neo from the internet. So here I am in Google and I will simply type something, doesn't matter what. I'll go in images. So let's say I'm searching and I like this picture over here. To save it, first of all, click on the picture. It will open it over here. And now you have two different things you can do. You can, first of all, click with two fingers on the trackpad over the picture to make this menu appear, or keeping pressed the control button and clicking on the trackpad once over the picture. It's the same thing. We want this menu to appear. Next, we have two options. You have save image to download, and it will go into the download folder on your Mac, or save image as, where you'll be able to say exactly in which folder you want it to go. So let me click here. This will open. You can give this image a new name. Let's say, I don't know, homework 5. And over here you can select where do you want it to go on your Mac, and you have all the folders, all the places. Let's say I want it to go on the desktop. Well, I'll select desktop, press save, and I don't know if you saw right over here, it went on my desktop, it got saved. If you want to preview an image without opening it, you can simply tap the space bar and it will open, tap the space bar again and it will go back there. This is just a preview. So this is how you save an image from the internet on your MacBook Neo. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Check my Amazon links for accessories that are compatible with your MacBook Neo, the one that I recommend. Check the links and I'll see you in the next video.